In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Sharpness 1000 in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Now, to do this, you will need to make sure that cheats are enabled, and then you need to go ahead and give yourself a command block, which you can do by typing in /give @p and then command_block, just like so. Alright, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and place down your command block right over here. Then where it says block type, please go ahead and set that to repeat, and where it says need redstone, please set that to always active. Now, you need to go ahead and enter in the command right now. Now, this here is a relatively long command, so you really need to make sure you pay attention. So I'm going to go ahead and write it out. So it is execute if entity at a bracket has item equals curly bracket location equals slot dot weapon dot main hand comma item equals netherite. And by the way, it doesn't have to be netherite. So let's say, for example, you're using a diamond sword. What you would need to do is you would need to change the netherite to diamond, or if you're trying to do it on like a stone sword, you could just change it to stone instead of writing netherite. But just make sure that you do include the underscore and then sword at the end of it. All right, and then another curly bracket to close it off. All right, then a comma tag equals quotation sharp x 1000. Okay, then another closing quotation, then close bracket, and then run effect at a strength 1. Sorry, I spelled strength wrong. 130 true. All right, once you have this command, then you are good to go. You can go ahead and enter it in your command block. So if we go ahead and do that, you'll notice that the command block will actually change color. But if we go ahead and open it up, you'll notice that we're going to get this error code. It says execute subcommand if entity has failed. But do not worry. What you want to do from here is you want to exit out of the command block and then type in this particular command /tag, and then go ahead and write out your username. So for me, it's BrianB78. And then afterwards, you want to go ahead and press on add and then sharp x 1000, just like so. Then you want to go ahead and enter it in the chat. And now, whenever we equip our netherite sword, you will notice that it is actually going to give us an insane amount of strength, the most amount of strength ever in Minecraft. And we could literally one hit the wither or the ender dragon and even the warden boss, which is honestly pretty cool. But you will also notice that in the left side of our screen, we're going to get all these like command messages over here. And in order to remove it, all you want to do is you want to type in /game rule and then command block output false. And then once you're done with that, it is now going to stop. And then, yep, as you're able to tell, our game is now clean now, and we can see everything perfectly fine. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.